Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to visit the store of a particular product that you have found on the AliExpress.com website and would like to check out the other items of that particular store. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that you should select the product either by typing in keywords to the search bar at the top, and after finding the product that you like and want to see more items of that particular store, all you have to do is just tapping on the product and then scroll down once it is loaded, and here you can find this visit store button. Tap on it and then you will be directed to the store itself, where you can check out the products and the items that appear here. So you can see this is the store home, and you can check out the available products organized into distinct categories. You can check out the sales, top selling, and your arrivals as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.